Abaca fiber is considered as one of the most important and profitable agricultural products of the province and is expected to continue making a stronghold in both domestic and international markets. The Abaca Craft Production Project of Tuburan Abaca Handicraft Association has its own share of ups and downs since it was launched, with orders coming in from various parts of the province and the region and outside the country. Taha, with majority of its members are agrarian reform beneficiaries, is one of the leading promoters of livelihood projects on abaca production. Approximately 30 kilometers away from the city of Iloilo, located in the central part of the province, lies Barangay Tuburan in the municipality of Haniway. It is one of the Department of Agrarian Reform's Assisted Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries organizations, where 88 ARBs are among the total members of 119.
Ako si Flora P. Insolente, presidente sang Tuburan Abaca Handicraft Association. Late sang 2006, bali may nagsilid nga tay sa kauswagan kaya kanaman. Tapos nag-survey sa bilog nga barangay, gin-survey, ginlantaw kung anong sitwasyon kang barangay. Tapos gintipon to ang survey nga to, tapos gin-analyze nanda, tapos naghimo kang pagahimuon nga kung ano gid ang itsura kang barangay. So nakita tuya nga duro gali ang mga kababainhan kaya nga ay ubra. Ay kato nga chimpo ay pati 4 piece.
Ako si Jose Hener de la Cruz Honyo. Nag-umpisa ako sa Taha year 2019. Amo ni ang akon nga na kuha, naka-practice ako mag-ubra sang bag, lubid, ang salapid, ano mga lubrahon sa Taha.
Ako gali si Linda Predunyo, tapos ang pagsugod nga tugid kang asosasyon, giyagid ako asta sa subong. Sa 8 ko ka bata, pag umpisa nga nagbuhat na kami kabag nga dya, simpre gamay-gamay income naman sa Purnilo, ano man lang man, 120 ang bayad ka naman, ang lubid naman sa lapi. Sa lapi. Di ko makalubid kami, kung kaisa makuna ko ka dyan sa kasurang. May kwartak dyan sa Taha, para mako. Alawan lang kabata ko mabalik. Kahit di naka-eskwila mga kabataan kung college man, high school.
Taha is a private sector funded organization at first that produces and manufactures different handicrafts made from the fibers of abaca, an indigenous plant that is commonly grown in the mountains of Haniway, Iloilo, specifically in barangays Kipot, Atimonan, and Kanawilian. The raw abaca fiber is being processed manually by the locals at the mountainous area wherein abaca trees predominantly grow. The weavers of Taha usually purchase these fibers. Generally, this organization aims to uphold and promote the splendor and finery of abaca products and also to showcase the artistry and skills of the Haniwainas.
Ako gali si Ignacia Samintar Lasar, taga Barangay Tuburan, Haniway, Iloilo. Membro ako kang Taha Tuburan Abaca Handicraft Association. Basta may order, ginapulawan namo sang una. Sarangan pa namo magpulaw mo, manan mo mga bata. Kagduro pa ang mga bata nga nakaimaw namon. Tulad ang mga bata nga itong nag-imaw naman sa una nga naghihirimo. Kaya iba nagasarakay doon, nag-overseas, iba nag-arobrado sa, nakagwa doon sa mga, sa ibang bansa. Ang iba na nag-arobrado ko diin.
Ako gali si Melanie nga sumagaysay. Ang 16 years na nga member kang Taha Kay nakapatapos ko ka college ka duwa kok bata. Tapos amor tila duman may college dama ako nga ga-eskwela at nga first year. Bilang isa ka production manager, ginasigurado ko gid nga di kalidad kag mas manami ang amon nga produkto.
Isagi sa problema nga na-encounter kang association atong pagbagyo kwan Yolanda. Kay totally gid nagaba gid ang amon nga kwan nga light material nga kwan nga production center. Kag tungod ka to, amura ko onda nga kun may disgrasya, may grasya man kuno head. Ti ang bawo ti daw nagirnabot man ang grasyak naman. Kag labaw kag labi sa tanan ang taga-DAR with the BLFED nanda nga project kay ginpanami ginanda ang amon nga production center. May mga trainings pagid nga ang party sa mga Christmas day course na ana mato initiated mato kang DAR nga asa subong kada gani Christmas amuran ang mga ginahimo namon nga ginapang display sa may mall. Nagpartner pagid ang DAR kag ang BLFED sa may ang DOST kag babongga pagid kay hanggad gid ang gintaod at namon nga makabulig pagid nga makita kami ti hanggad kag mabuhi gid ang Tuburan Abaca Handicraft Association. Mali nagtausan da kang para sa pag-scrunch naman. May mga ano sa naging tao, may mga kaldiro, may mga dragkel nga mga labador, mga lawag, tapos inang mga screen, mga plastic, mga plastic nga gramito naman sa may scrunch naman nga kwan, Abaca scrunch naman nga
Ako si Alfonso Catilo, beneficiary ako sang DAR. Ang Abaca nakabulig sa akin pagabuhi, nakabulig sa akin pag-eskwela kabataan, nakatapos tanda, nangid na sa negosyo ko sa Abaca, kag pananim ko ka Abaca. Isa ko ang kurang kong laki, Coast Guard sa San Carlos Nasay. Ang tatlo ko laki sa Masiman.
In 2018, the Department of Agrarian Reform, under its Program Beneficiaries Development Division, which aims to promote and sustain enterprises of ARBOS, recognized Taha as recipient of the village-level Farm Focus Enterprise Development. Under the WellFed project, the amount of 300,000 was turned over to Taha, which is designed to further develop competitiveness of ARB's products and make them conform with the market demand by renovating an existing production center. The rehabilitation works for the processing center had facilitated the improvement of the structural requirement for the Abaca processing in securing the license to operate from various agencies. With the booming market for Abaca handicrafts, the association has a high demand for Abaca products with natural dye, resulting in sustainable income for its members and increasing market opportunities. However, it faces challenges in acquiring techniques in weaving because their Abaca fiber production are done manually. Hence, texture-wise, the products cannot meet the market standards. Further, the local production of Abaca is scarce because of the Banshee top virus infestation. To address these concerns, DAR tapped the Department of Science and Technology, Region 6, to support their technical needs by sourcing out the community empowerment through Science and Technology program. The amount released to Taha is 189,560 pesos, intended to provide the following: laptop and printer, 2 shelves, 2 working table, 2 riser, Wi-Fi, cold room. Other than that, capability development trainings were conducted, such as hands-on weaving or training, benchmarking. In response to the scarcity of Abaca fibers, a 1-hectare land was granted to Taha through its usufruct agreement from the ARBs to plant 1,000 pieces of abaca seedlings in partnership with the Philippine Fiber Industry Development Authority and in coordination with the local government of Haniway. Today, Taha is recognized as one of the leading suppliers of abaca bags internationally, earning approximately 15,000 per month. The local and international buyers ranges from private individuals, shops, and markets. In time, abaca industry will flourish like any other industry exhibited by the surrounding towns and provinces, but it would definitely make the Taha in Haniway famous not only just because of its booming economy, but also because of its world-class products and masterpieces.